Hi, my name is Daniel here at Swansway Honda Stockport, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Honda Jazz 1.5 i-MMD SR. Now this vehicle has currently done 9,749 miles and it's finished in the colour crystal red. It does sit nicely on 15-inch wheels. It comes with LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you will find 304 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,203 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your gorgeous black part leather and cloth interior. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you'll find your multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable behind the wheel. To the left of your steering wheel you have controls for adjusting the infotainment system as well as the display in the instrument cluster. To the right you have your adaptive cruise control, which is perfect for those motorway journeys. On the display here in the instrument cluster you've got access to different driving data. You've got your average fuel consumption and even access to your audio and telephone menus. You also have your driver assist features, including your lane departure warning system and your collision warning system, features that keep you safe and secure while on the go. Centered here in the dashboard you have your touchscreen infotainment system. This system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also play your own music with USB and Bluetooth audio. You have your Bluetooth telephone menu where you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. You can also connect your smartphone up with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to safely make hands-free phone calls and text, and even use compatible applications from your phone directly on the touchscreen here. Here you can see some of the additional features that the system comes with. Below from the display you'll find your automatic air conditioning, which is nice and simple to use. Below this you have two USB points along with a 12-volt socket. In the center console you have your automatic gear selector along with your electronic handbrake.